If you're still rolling with a cassette player in your car, this clever cassette is the answer. It lets you play music directly from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, essentially transforming your cassette player into a Bluetooth-enabled device. You can enjoy up to 8 hours of playtime on a single charge, all for just $20. Quite a steal, wouldn't you agree? The Bully BBS Utility Step, your go-to all-in-one solution priced at $50. Let's dive into its 3 standout features. Firstly, it serves as a robust utility step, handling weights up to 159 kilograms with ease. On top of that, it pulls double duty as an additional brake light, courtesy of its built-in LED features. And to top it off, the Bully BBS doesn't just stop there, it adds an extra layer of protection to your bumper. For numerous motorhomes making use of the bumper for storage, there's a nifty solution to discreetly store a flexible drain pipe. This system comprises 2 caps equipped with ventilation holes to keep insects at bay. Additionally, magnets on one cap facilitate easy removal. The cost of this practical system is set at $16. Looking for a quick solution to load your motorcycle in under a minute? Enter discount ramps, making it a piece of cake. This versatile ramp comes in 2 lengths, 2.1 and 2.4 meters, effortlessly unfolding to handle up to 272 kilograms. Plus, for added convenience, there's an option to get a special step. At an affordable $1.99 each, these silicone corners act as guardians for your car doors, preventing any potential paintwork damage. Introducing the Flated AirCarrier, a game-changer in inflatable cargo boxes. Its unique pentade design maximizes your car roof space, offering a generous 0.6 cubic meters for various loads. When not in action, it conveniently folds into a compact case, tipping the scales at around 10 kilograms. What sets it apart is its user-friendly nature, easily attachable and detachable, deployable by a single person. However, it's essential to note that the sport version carries a hefty price tag, currently standing at $700. Here's something special for all you Jeep owners out there: adjustable light mounts tailored for specific models. Priced at $120, this kit includes 2 mounts along with all the essential installation gear. What's great about these mounts is their universality, they're compatible with any lighting brand. Plus, there's an extra perk: a limited lifetime warranty comes with the package. Meet STAG Rack, the pioneer in interchangeable roof racks designed to mount seamlessly on your car roof. It's your go-to solution for transporting 4 snowboards, 4 pairs of skis, or 2 bicycles. Installing this roof rack is a walk in the park, no tools required, just a couple of minutes, and when you're finished, it comes off in under a minute as well. Secure your STAG for $650. The ZipGripGo traction aid, crafted to assist drivers in escaping mud, ice, and snow. Similar to the STAG Rack, it can be effortlessly installed without the need for tools, taking just a few minutes. Ensure the disc diameter doesn't exceed 22 inches, and the creators advise placing up to 6 zip ties on one wheel. Fortunately, each package contains 12 of them. You can snag 2 packs for a total of $20 on Amazon. Can you believe we're already in the era of autonomous cars? And guess what's just hit the market? Trapmats. These dual mats are a game changer, customized for each car. Crafted from EVA material, they not only keep moisture at bay but also ward off odors and boast antibacterial properties. Maintenance is a breeze, dirt and dust sift through the top layer, gathering neatly at the bottom. All this convenience comes at a steal, with a pair available for just $39. Dealing with the constant adjustments of the sun visor can be quite a bother, and not everyone is keen on slapping a film strip onto the windshield. Well, the innovators at VisorTwin have come up with a smart solution, their film visor hybrid. Despite their Kickstarter campaign not quite taking off, perhaps the pricing was a factor. Would you be willing to spend $20 for a pair of these? For certain Jeep enthusiasts, there's an exciting opportunity to invest $162 in a unique offering, the Xprite Vader Series Grille. This isn't just about boosting your car's exterior style, it goes a step further by improving your Jeep's visibility on the road, thanks to its integrated daytime running lamps and turn signals.